Clients that have rotator cuff injuries or problems with upper back problems because they're lifting, working out, or what type of training regimen they're on, you're going to place their arm into a tricep stretch and then put your elbow in between their scapula and move towards the head, releasing all type of impingements or any type of strain in your scapula. This next move, you're just doing a vice grip. You're placing your client's arm. You're sitting down in a seated position. Place the client's arm on top of your shoulder and vice grip their biceps and triceps. And this is like a scapula. This next move, you're going to place the client's arm or fingers on top of their head. Lift the client's arm while placing your knee on top of the table, and the client's arm will rest on top of your knee or leg, and you're just going to palm press the back. This is a seated position. Take a seat on top of the table, abduct the client's arm, place the client's arm on top of your leg, and petrissage or crab grab the back of the triceps. This next move, you're working on the piriformis from the opposite side of the client's leg. You're standing on the opposite side, you're cranking down at the ankle and palm pressing with your other hand on their piriformis muscle. This one's the same stretch, same leg movements, but you're just thumb gliding the medial calf or medial gastrocnemius muscle and thumb stripping the extensor side of the foot. Bend the client's leg into a frogman position, but the frog leg is going to be on the table. And you're just palm pressing up the leg towards the knee, and the other hand is palm pressing from the knee up towards the hamstrings to the glutes at the same time. This next move, you're going to use your forearm to glide the extensors. If they need deeper penetration of their muscles, a bigger athlete, use your forearm and elbow. This is a double thumb press and hold at the medial side of the calf, and double thumbs at the lateral side of the foot. Gastrocnemius, as well as the quads on the anterior side of the body. This is just a double version of the same stretch you just used, but you're using your body weight. Place your palms on their feet and press forward and all the way towards their glutes. This next move, you're on the table with your knees into their feet. Place your forearms on their gastrocnemius muscle and glide up. We're now working on the pectoralis major. We're double thumb gliding, one thumb on top of another, getting that deep stretch. And we're working the inferior to medial to superior muscle fibers of the pectoralis major. So now you're hooking in between the armpit, and you're really grabbing the pectoralis major. This is not a baby movement. You're grabbing the pectoralis major and pulling towards you on the opposite side of the table. So now you're doing your CPR move, which is the beginning. You're just doing a light finger grab. Now you're doing medium pressure using your palms and fingers, ascending, transcending. And after transcending, you would do a descending palm and finger glides. Because they're just like a bicep muscle, a tricep muscle, a pectoralis muscle, a big muscle when they're that defined. Thanks again for purchasing the DVD, and always use caution before you perform these massage techniques on your clients. This will keep you safe and the client safe.